So, something that I have been contemplating on a lot lately is love. Unconditional love. I believe love is our true nature, okay? No one was born with jealousy, envy, hate, to be mean. Those are all false programming that we learn from society. They're all false identity constructs, and they come from a bad self-concept. Until someone treats you with disrespect, there's no reason to not be kind to other people. How we treat other people is a reflection of ourselves. So, come back to your true nature and spread love everywhere you go.